It's in the air, it's in the soil, it's in the heart of every industry. Yet, most people don't know its name. This is the story of a clear, oily liquid that quietly, invisibly runs India's economy. It is a billion-dollar industry that very few are aware of. India's demand for this compound is massive, over 20 million tons per year and growing. Why? Because it's not just a chemical. It's a catalyst, a transformer, a purifier. Stick with this video till the end, you won't believe what it is. Uses of this magical product. It is used in laboratories, it initiates reactions. In industries, it separates metals from ores. Without it, copper and zinc wouldn't exist in our form. Without it, cleaning agents wouldn't clean, medicines wouldn't heal, cars wouldn't run. Just think how crucial it is. The demand for this magical product. Its demand is so high that India imported it in large quantities. But not anymore. We cracked the code. Many people are already manufacturing it in massive plants, some of the largest in Asia. Why this product is important in an economy? As India moves toward a $5 trillion economy, this chemical is key. It powers our food supply, energizes our tech, and cleans our water. Its demand is expected to grow exponentially in the next 10 years. And every single ton produced here saves crores in imports. Benefits of this product. It is widely used as a catalyst and dehydrating agent in industrial chemical reactions, especially in the manufacture of fertilizers, dyes, explosives, and detergents. It's essential to clean metal surfaces like steel and iron before further processing. It removes rust, scale, and oxidation layers. Used to remove impurities from gasoline and diesel during refining, improving fuel quality. It is used to adjust alkaline soils, making them more suitable for certain crops. It is used as a key raw material in the synthesis of many drugs, including antibiotics and pain relievers. It is involved in the production of synthetic materials, contributing to items used daily in homes and industries. It is used to neutralize alkaline water, remove impurities, and balance pH in municipal water treatment plants. How it's made. The three-step alchemy. Let's step inside the making of this powerful compound. It begins with something simple: sulfur. Yes, the yellow rock, mined or recovered from crude oil. Step 1. We burn sulfur in the air. This gives us a gas, sulfur dioxide, colorless, but full of potential. Step 2. This gas passes through a series of catalysts. At high temperatures, it transforms from SO2 to SO3 sulfur trioxide. This is the magic moment, but it's not done yet. The SO3 is absorbed in water carefully. Very carefully. This reaction is violent, exothermic, and demands precision. You've seen it. You've used it. You depend on it. Its name? Sulphuric acid. Most people have never heard much about sulphuric acid, yet it's one of the most widely used and essential industrial chemicals in the world. Market opportunity for sulphuric acid. With India's growing demand of over 20 million tons annually, the sulphuric acid market offers significant growth potential. Government initiatives, rising agricultural needs, and industrial expansion are fueling demand. New manufacturing plants, when strategically planned, can yield high returns with long-term stability. How can we help you build the future? At NII, our project consultancy services, we're here to support your business goals with over 30 years of industry expertise. Whether you're planning to launch a new venture or expand an existing one, our team is ready to assist. We specialize in preparing market surveys and detailed techno-economic feasibility reports (DTEFRs) to help you assess and establish new industries or business opportunities. Our comprehensive reports include in-depth market research, manufacturing processes, flow sheet diagrams, product mix recommendations, machinery and raw material details, complete project financials, and much more. This isn't just a business, it's your chance to make a real difference. Imagine building something with your own hands that drives industries, supports economies, and helped shape a more sustainable future. The world runs on sulfuric acid, and it needs visionary, determined people like you to be part of that foundation. So don't wait. Start small, dream big, and take that first step. Like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. We're here to guide you every step of the journey. See you in the next one.